This is the definitive guide to fixing Aiostreams crashing and Nuvio Playback error loops. After personally experiencing these frustrating issues and testing numerous fixes, I discovered several effective methods to restore seamless operation, which I will now share. The first approach involves ensuring Aiostreams is fully reset and its data is clean, which often resolves temporary glitches by clearing out corrupted temporary files and forcing a fresh start. Next, we focus on Nuvio's playback capabilities by updating its player and optimizing its settings, addressing potential conflicts with streaming protocols or outdated codecs that cause those endless error loops. A crucial step involves optimizing your system's performance by updating graphics drivers and closing unnecessary background programs, as insufficient system resources can lead to application instability and playback failures. Finally, we explore advanced troubleshooting by checking software compatibility and directly contacting support, a necessary measure when underlying system conflicts or specific service issues are the root cause. These comprehensive steps will help you fix Aiostreams crashing and Nuvio Playback error loops.